Greetings everyone, welcome to my class. Well, students, in today's class we are going to start the chapter Footprints Without Feet, which is written by H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is known for his scientific novels and stories. He has written Time Machine also, and he writes these types of novels or stories. Well, this chapter is about a scientist named Griffin. He discovered a rare invention from which a person can become transparent, can become invisible. So the chapter is about that. Does he use his discovery in the welfare of mankind, or does he misuse his discovery? We will find out. Well, before we read out this chapter in detail, I would like to give you the brief summary. एक संक्षिप्त में, बहुत डिटेल में नहीं, एक छोटी सी ब्रीफ समरी मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा इस चैप्टर की, बिकॉज दिस चैप्टर इज़ अबाउट अ साइंटिस्ट, एक वैज्ञानिक है जो बहुत ही मुश्किलों के बाद, बहुत ही प्रयोग करने के बाद, आफ्टर डूइंग ए लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, ही बिकम सक्सेसफुल टू डिस्कवर अ फैंटास्टिक ड्रग विच कैन मेक और विच कैन मेक अ पर्सन ट्रांसपेरेंट और इनविजिबल, अदृश्य बना सकता है, गायब हो सकता है उसकी वजह से, और वो उसमें सक्सेसफुल होता है। पर क्या वो उस इन्वेंशन को, दैट वाज अ ग्रेट इन्वेंशन, ग्रेट डिस्कवरी, बट डज ही यूज़ इट इन द service of mankind, welfare of mankind, or for his own advantage, for on his benefit, or he misuses it? So we will find out. Well, let's start the summary. Summary of this chapter starts with when the two small boys in London, they were playing and they saw the barefoot imprints in the mud, and they down the street they were playing and they were seeing the barefoot imprints in the mud, and suddenly they were in surprise because they saw another footprint, the fresh imprints of one foot, and they were surprised, and they were very courageous and brave boys, because if I had been in place of them, I would have run from there, but they decided to follow. वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि पीछा करेंगे, बहुत ही बहादुर होते हैं, डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम उनका पीछा करेंगे। स्टार्ट यहीं से होता है, दिस चैप्टर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर ओनली, व्हेन कि दो छोटे लड़के हैं लंदन की स्ट्रीट में खेल रहे हैं, उनको सामने कीचड़ में पैरों के निशान दिखते हैं और एक फ्रेश पैर का निशान दिखता है कीचड़ में, और वो सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं, एंड दे डिसाइड टू फॉलोड इट अंटिल फेंट एंड फेंटर। वो फॉलो करते हैं और करते चले जाते हैं अंटिल द फुटप्रिंट्स और द इम्प्रिंट्स बिकम फेंटर एंड फाइनली दे डिसअपीयर्ड। बट द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हियर दैट हु वाज दैट पर्सन? कौन था वो, कौन जिसके वो फुटप्रिंट्स के निशान उन बॉयज़ ने लंदन की स्ट्रीट्स में देखे? आखिर वो वहाँ कर क्या रहा था? और अगर वो पैरों के निशान देख रहे थे तो आदमी क्यों नहीं दिख रहा था? और कौन था वो आदमी, या कौन था वो औरत, कौन थी वो औरत? सो हु वाज दैट पर्सन? कौन था? In this chapter, your chapter starts with this paragraph which describes about the two boys and fresh imprints on the mud, and they followed it until they become disappear. So but the question is, who was that man? So that next man, he was a scientist named Griffin. He was a scientist, a brilliant scientist, a very intelligent man, scientist. His name was Griffin, and he discovered a formula of invisibility. एक ऐसा फार्मूला वो डिस्कवर करता है जिससे आदमी गायब हो सकता है। ही डिस्कवर्ड दैट फार्मूला ऑफ इनविजिबिलिटी एंड ही स्वैलोड इट। उसको वो ऐसा डिस्कवरिंग करता है जिसकी वजह से एक आदमी गायब हो सकता है, और उस सॉल्यूशन को, उस ड्रग को, दैट ड्रग ही स्वैलोड इट, उसको वो स्वैलो कर लेता है। ही स्वैलोड इट, निगल जाता है उसको, एंड ही बिकम्स इनविजिबल। ही हाउ लाइक अ शीट ऑफ ग्लास, ही बिकम इनविजिबल लाइक अ शीट ऑफ ग्लास, ट्रांसपेरेंट प्लस सॉलिड। जो इनविजिबल तो हो जाता है, लेकिन आप उसको टच भी करेंगे, अगर ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर इनविजिबल हो गया तो हवा भी उसके आर पार हो जाएगी। ही विल फील एवरीथिंग, like if he will struck with someone, that another person will feel that somebody has struck it. It will not like that he will go through that man, or go through the door, or go through the wall. No, he become transparent like a glass. You must have seen a glass, देखा होगा, ग्लास की शीट देखी होगी जो ग्लासेस लगे होते हैं। We can see through that, हम उसके आर पार देख सकते हैं, बाहर से और अंदर से, तो हमें बाहर का दिख जाता है, तो वो गायब हो जाता है, लेकिन एक ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट, लाइक transparent plus solid, but here the point is that Griffin was a scientist, a brilliant one, intelligent person, but he was a lawless person. When you read about in detail, there is a novel based on this chapter, but in this chapter also it is mentioned that he was a lawless person. Who is a lawless person? Lawless person is who does not believe in the rules and regulations, and Griffin used to beat, abuse people. And his landlord, because of his lawless nature, his landlord did not used to like him, and he wanted Griffin to leave his house. And Griffin was very angry. As he was a lawless person, he becomes angry, and what does he do after discovering that solution? And when he swallowed it, he becomes invisible, and he sets his landlord's house on fire. Because he was a lawless person. He becomes angry when landlord says that you have to leave my house, please leave my house, vacate my house. He becomes very angry, and as he was a lawless person, he sets his landlord's house on fire. उसके घर को आग लगा देता है और वहाँ से भाग जाता है. पर अगर आप किसी के घर को आग लगा देते हो, भाग जाते हो, ऑब्वियसली पीपल विल चेस यू, लैंडलॉर्ड विल कंप्लेन इन पुलिस विल ट्राई टू चेस यू, ट्राई टू कैच यू, एंड बिकॉज ही बिकम्स इनविजिबल. एंड how he become invisible? For becoming invisible after swallowing, when he swallowed that drug, whenever he swallows that drug, he becomes invisible. For that he has to remove all his clothes, and simple language, he has to become naked. उसे पूर्ण रूप से नग्न होना पड़ेगा, तभी वो इनविजिबल हो सकता है उस सॉल्यूशन को पी के. अगर वो कपड़े पहने रहेगा तो he will be visible. So after setting his landlord's house on fire, he run away from there. And because he wants to, after setting his landlord's house on fire, he cannot stay there because police will catch him and he will be behind the bars. So to run, what did he do to run? He removes his all clothes, became naked, and he became a homeless wanderer, mud feet. और वहाँ से landlord, after setting his landlord's house on fire, and he has to run away from there. To run away from there, he removed all his clothes, became naked, homeless wanderer, and then he वहाँ से भाग जाता है होमलेस वॉन्डरर. फिर वहाँ से कीचड़ सने राख में उसके पैरों के निशान पड़ जाते हैं. होमलेस वॉन्डरर हो जाता है, जिसका कोई घर नहीं होता और वो इधर उधर भटकता रहता है. ही नेकेड है, he became naked, he removes all his clothes, he became naked, and he is a homeless wanderer. And that's why when he was wandering homeless, naked, and his footprints, he did not see the mud, and his footprints were visible on that. And then those two boys, they saw that those footprints of him on the mud. So this was it, and he was invisible, nobody can see him. You would say, oh, that's fantastic, nobody can see him, he will enjoy. But the time he chose, जो उसने time choose किया था, that was a very difficult time. It was a very wrong time. It was not a good time. बिल्कुल भी अच्छा समय नहीं था, because it was mid winter. जो winter season है, that was in its mid winter था, नवंबर था, ठंड का सीज़न था, काफ़ी डिसाइडेड था. तो उसको अपने आप को बचाने के लिए लंदन में काफ़ी ठंड पड़ती है. सो इट वाज अ मिड विंटर, चिली सीज़न, कोल्ड सीज़न, एंड he was naked without any clothes. So he decides to go to a big London store to keep himself warm. So he goes to a big London store. It was evening, so store was about to close. The moment store gets closed, he gets inside, and what does he do there? And here he plans his first loot. As you can see, I mentioned the first loot, और ये उसकी पहली चोरी होती है. As he was a lawless person, अपने मकान मालिक के घर को आग लगा चुका है, लोगों को मारता पीटता था. If you read the novel, you will find out that there was a cat. He did the experiment on the cat. Cat becomes invisible. People used to hear the cat's voice, but they were not able to see. So he was a lawless person. He used to do a lot of things which were lawless. So he decided to go inside that London store without paying anything. He will have everything. वो जाता है इसी मकसद से कि सब कुछ मिल जाएगा उसको विंटर से बचने के लिए. खाना भी ये, बिकॉज मॉल्स होते हैं, बिग लंडन स्टोर वेयर यू विल गेट फूड टू ईट, वेयर यू विल गेट ड्रिंक टू ईट, वेयर यू विल गेट क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो टू वियर. So he goes into it for warmth. what does he do there? He gets the warm clothes without paying it in. So you have to remember it with that. What did he do inside the big London store? He did the first loot inside the London store. He gets the warm clothes, he gets the food also, plus he gets shoes, an overcoat plus wide brimmed hat, एक बड़ी चौड़ी सी hat जो ब्रिटिश वहाँ पे पहनी जाती है. So he gets all of these things from that big London store, and then what did he do? He eat cold meat over there, plus he drinks coffee and he drinks wine. He gets everything to cover himself, to warm himself, like clothes and every food, shoes, everything. Then he eats cold meat, drinks coffee, drinks wine, and then he sleeps on pile of quilts. Quilts means रजाइयों के एक ढेर पे वो जाके सो जाता है. ये सब शूज़, ओवरकोट, ब्रिम्ड हैट, जो चौड़ी सी हैट पहन के, कोल्ड मीट खा के, कॉफ़ी पी के और वाइन पी के, ही गोज़ एंड स्लीप्स ऑन द पाइल ऑफ क्विल्स. रजाइयों के एक ढेर पे जाके आराम से सो जाता है. एंड देयर ही मेड अ मिस्टेक बिकॉज he sleeps and he next morning he did not get up on the time. उस अगली मॉर्निंग पे टाइम से नहीं उठता है. and the store will open, people will come. The first people who will come, the assistant, the people who work there, the security guard. So the assistant, they come there and they see him. So what choice does he have now? He has to run away from there because he was not able to get up on time. If he had get up on time, he would have gone from there with all the clothes, shoes and that hat which he got from there, but he did not get up on time. So assistant come and they see him, they try to catch him. That obviously they are in a locked store. If you are inside, you will be considered as a thief, and you are wearing all that clothes of the store. So they try to chase him, and he again removes all his clothes, overcoat, brimmed hat, everything he removes, and he became naked again in chilly January. So उस जनवरी का काफ़ी ठंड के सीज़न में वो दोबारा वहाँ से भागता है. he runs away from there and he became naked again. दोबारा से वो naked हो जाता है और वहाँ से भागता है.